Hi everyone, hope you're all Tickety-Boo. Today what we're going to be doing is balancing the Weebill 2 with the Canon EOS R6 and the RF 24-70mm lens, and I'll be sharing you the measurements with it so that you don't have to work it out for yourself. Hopefully you'll find that pretty well useful. But today I've got a little joke for you, haven't I? What do you call a sad strawberry? A blueberry. Let's get into those measurements. So the first thing you need to do with any zoom lens is make sure that the focal length is in the middle. So this is 24-70, so it's set on 50, okay? Then with the Weebill 2, what I always do is make sure the back plate is flush with the R6 at the back here. And then that way, any of these measurements will work for you. The only problem you've got is as with the Weebill 2, for some reason, and I wish you'd change it Weebill, Zhiyun should I say, there's no measurements on this side plate here, so I can't give you those measurements on this one, and the lens cap doesn't fit in between there, which it does with the 16-35, so you need to guess that one for you, but you can do that measurement last. Right, so let's get the camera off and start looking at the rest of the measurements. So the first one to look at is the base plate that's attached to the camera. This is on 8.8 on this side and 4.2 on this side. What we do is just have a quick close up at that. The side plates here, so that's actually set at 1 there and 2.9 underneath here. Let's have a close look at that one. Now for the measurements on the base plate down here, that's actually set at 1.9. We'll have a closer look at that one. So there you go everyone, hopefully you found that one useful, and now you've got the measurements if you've got that set up or thinking of getting that set up, or even if you're thinking of buying this type of gimbal to go with that setup, it'll really help you out. And there's loads of other videos on this channel, there'll be links up here somewhere on different balancing techniques with the Weebill 2, with the Weebill S, DJI RSC2 and things like that. Stay safe out there everyone, have fun making stuff, keep smiling. Till next time, cheers and gone.